Hi everybody, Juliana here. Today we are at a strawberry farm and we will pick our own strawberry and make lots of recipes. We're here at Brook Farms, just 40 minutes from Toronto. It's a beautiful day, very sunny, 30 degrees. This is something the Canadians love to do, and I will show you some very nice things to do with kids, with family, and just enjoy the day in the farm. I will show you the store, I will show you the farm, I will show you everything.
The trip on the way is already very beautiful. It's summer in Canada and everything is very green. You can see beautiful farms on the way. The landscape looks like a painting. Strawberry season in Ontario is from late June through July, so make sure to plan your picking properly. This is a great way to get to know where your food actually comes from. As you arrive, you can find how to park very easily. It's right next to the strawberry picking field. We're here, so let's get some strawberries. You will get in line to get your basket and pay for the picking. You can choose the strawberry basket size you want. They come in 1, 2 and 4 liter sizes. We choose 2 2-liter baskets, bought for $5 a liter. Berries from a pick-your-own farm are also healthier than store-bought berries because they usually don't have as much pesticide and fungicide residue. As you can see, the field is just full of strawberry bushes ready to be picked. They will tell you where to start, and after that you can just find more spots. I started in one section but then found a better place. Depending on how many are picking, you will want to do the same.
We're here!
Woohoo! When you're trying to decide which strawberries to pick, it's important to choose the ones that are fully red. Strawberries don't continue to ripen after they are picked, so they should look like you want to eat them when you pick them. In good conditions, each strawberry plant should produce 1 quart of strawberries per season. In particular, look at the tip of the strawberry. If it is red, you can pick it. Try to twist the berry of the stem, don't pull. Also, very large strawberries tend to be less flavorful than the small or medium ones, but not always. Try to leave part of the stem and the cap on the berry. It's funny how they hid into the bushes. It's almost like playing a game. Strawberries are not only delicious, but they're good for you. They have lots of vitamin A and C, fiber and calcium, and very low in calories. It's also so tempting when you dump, but you still see more and more coming from the bushes. Brooks Farms has a ton of great activities. They have an indoor market where you can get incredible farm fresh food from all over. Strawberry jams and all berries jams. And if you don't want to do the picking, you can also find fresh strawberries there. Almost all kinds of baked goods and ice cream. They have a French fry truck where we got this beautiful classic poutine. French fries covered in cheese curds with a very tasty gravy. Don't worry if you still don't know this Canadian recipe. I'll be making it on the channel soon. You can also just relax, enjoy the fresh air, the incredible view, and take some beautiful pictures.
I've got 4 liters of strawberries, that's a lot. I'll make lots of strawberry ice cream. I got from the store rhubarb, okay? I've never cooked this before. I've tried but never made anything, so I'm gonna make delicious strawberry pie with rhubarb. It's very famous, very traditional in Canada, and I will show you this recipe. And I have here also a strawberry and rhubarb jam that I will make some shortbread cookies. It's gonna be very delicious. And that's it. So all these recipes are coming up. Let's taste one. So sweet. Oh, bye.
As soon as you get your strawberries home, you should store them in a fridge on a shallow container and just wash them when you're ready to eat them or prepare them for a recipe. And if you freeze them, you can wash them right away. Pick the leaves off just after washing. It can take the vitamins away. Put them on a tray, let them freeze first, and then store them in freezing bags, back in your freezer. So, that was my strawberry picking adventure. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more adventures. Thank you so much for watching.